Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you this hair growth treatment that I use on my hair. As you guys can see, this is the treatment I'll be using on today's recipe. If you love what you're watching, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and to like and comment and share. Guys, are you seeing that guys? Let's get started. Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we'll be doing this deep condition treatment. We're using coffee for it. I'm doing a coffee hair mask. Okay, inside here I have my flaxseed and fenugreek seed. So I'm just going to be applying, like put it in a blender. I'll be also be dropping the benefits of coffee and flaxseed and fenugreek seed on the screen. Okay fam, so I'm just going to be putting this in my jar just like this for us to blend it into a smooth paste, because we need the flaxseed and fenugreek seed juice. Yeah, so that's what we're going to be using to do the hair mask. Okay, if you're new here, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, my name is Naturally Jessie. In my page it's all about natural ingredients to help you grow out your hair, your bald spot, your alopecia, because I also suffer from bald spot. I also suffer from alopecia, but as I keep on using my natural ingredients, my hair is coming out. You can check out of my videos where I show you all how my hair growth journey is. Okay, so if this is what you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So please keep on watching. Right now I'm just blending. I need to blend to a smooth paste so that I can extract the juice. So right here we're extracting the juice from this fenugreek seed. Okay, so I'm just going to extract the juice and move to the next step. So loves, this is the coffee I'll be using for this recipe. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon, like this teaspoon. This is my measuring spoon. So I'll be applying this in this recipe. Guys, add as much as you want, how thick you want your coffee mask to look like. I added 2 tablespoons. Okay, that is 5 It was not giving me that thickness I want, so I had to add another one off camera just to get that consistency I was looking for. So loves, this is what the coffee treatment looks like. We'll just start to apply this on my hair. Please do well to keep on watching to see the final result of this treatment on my hair. So we'll start up with a dry hair just like this, a semi-wet hair, sorry, because I just finished my wash day routine, and I just washed my hair and I like to dry a little bit, so for me to be applying this coffee on my hair. So I'm just going to be applying it. Please do this in the bathroom. Like, my mistake was to do this in my daughter's room, because all the floors was just dripping with this stuff. So please do this in the bathroom, okay, just to avoid the mistake I made. Yeah, so I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair and be finger detangle as well. I did not use my brush to detangle this. I'm only going to be finger detangle. This is what we have for the first section. As you can see, my hair right here is dried and the other side is already hydrated already, and the coils will start popping up already. Like, guys, this is so amazing. So I'm done applying this all over my hair. I'm just also finger detangle, as I said. I'll just be finger detangling this all over my hair. Please ignore any opening of the doors and the rest. I have a daughter. My daughter is close to me, so she's playing around here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried coffee for hair mask? Have you tried coffee tea for your hair growth? Let me know in the comment section, and let me know what you guys would love to see again. Can you see those coils, guys? Like, the coils are giving. Like, this is going to help you also to define your hair and the rest. So I'm just finger detangling and loving the way my hair feels. This made my hair so soft. This helped me for to stop hair loss. Okay, this helped in stopping hair loss as well. Yeah, so I'm just pouring the last one. Like, I really used all of this on my hair, and my hair really loved this treatment. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this. Please do well to try it, because this is amazing for hair growth. It's amazing to nourish your hair. It's going to help you to moisturize your hair. If your hair is dry, it's going to help you to moisturize it. Yeah, so please keep on watching. So beauties, after applying it all over my hair, I'll use my plastic bag and cover my hair, and I'll sit for like an hour, and I'll rinse it out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.